Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you our online YouTube channel. My dear students, today I am going to teach you Science Class 4th, and that's Chapter 2 and Part Lecture 2. My dear student, before class we have discussed about our teeth to chew. How many types of teeth and which type which work. Today we have discussed about. And that's a sets of teeth we have discussed about. Also there are two sets of teeth, just primary teeth and secondary teeth. Primary teeth also called temporary teeth, as secondary teeth also called permanent teeth. Okay, so types of teeth we have also discussed before class, and today we have discussed about our on page number 22. On page number 22, my dear students, you see the figure of mouth and their teeth. That's incisor, that's the incisor, and next canine, next premolar, and next both are molars, and last one is wisdom teeth. Okay, so my dear students, you see the figure. In this figure, incisor 8, canines 4, premolars 8, and molars 12. Total 32. You also know in our mouths total teeth of total number of teeth are 32. Okay, so today we have discussed about our structure of our tooth. My dear students, teeth are fixed. Teeth are fixed in the gums of our jaw. That's teeth are also fixed in our gums of jaw. Okay, and some part of the both inside the gum. Some part of the gums inside the teeth. Okay, it is known as the root. It is known as the root. It means which types of which gums inside the tooth, that's called root. Okay, and the part of which is visible to see is outside of the gum. Some parts you also see invisible to see outside of the gum. Okay, it is known as crown. It is known as crown. That's his crown. Okay, and that's your root. Inside root, outside crown. Okay, next, if we cut a tooth lengthwise in half, we will see the flowing parts. When we cut the see in flowing parts, so what we see flowing parts, that's just a enamel, which is enamel is the outermost part of the tooth. It means outside the part, which part of outside of tooth, that's called enamel. Okay, it is said to be the hardest part of the body. It is said to the, it means which is the hardest part of our body, that's the tooth. Okay, next here, dentine. For dentine lies below the enamel. It is also very hard. Dentine lies below the enamel. Inside the below the enamel, that's called dentine. And next here, pulp. Pulp is the soft soft innermost part of the teeth. Pulp is the very soft part in the teeth, inner part of the teeth. It is blood vessels and nerves. That's the blood vessels and nerves. All these part of both are connected to the gum. It means all part connected to the gums with bloods are connected. Okay, bite and chew the slices of apple. Bite and chew a slice of apple. Identify your types of teeth while do so. Okay, next here, that's one question available. You also show color the clouds of words are good or our teeth. Okay, next here, dental care. My dear students, when we eat food, some food particles get stuck in the gap of between teeth. So you also take daily brush of our teeth, and teeny microbes called germs or bacteria grow in these gaps. It means when we eat food, that's some particles stay in gap of teeth, okay. So that's called germs or bacteria, okay. Acid are formed when bacteria meets the sugar is food caught between your teeth. This acid damage the enamel and makes tiny holes or cavity called dental caries, okay. It means when we have take food, then some particles will stay at between the tooth. So this acid damage the enamel and makes teeny holes या cavity are called dental caries, okay. When a cavity reaches the pulp, tooth start panning. Means that cavity reaches reaches the pulp, that's tooth start panning, okay. Next, you're caring for tooth. My dear student, you also know how to caring the tooth. So firstly, brush your teeth correctly and regularly, twist the next. Teeth are not cleaned properly. If you teeth are not cleaned properly, then get covered the yellow sticky substance are called plaque. It is called fall smell, and therefore rise your mouth every time you eat something. When that if you eat every time anything, that's some particles will stay at between your teeth, and then if you not get brush your teeth correctly and regularly, then some particle stay here, and that's a just like a cavity and bacteria and germs, okay. And next year, avoid eating too hot, too cold, and too sweet food. You not take more than hot, too cold, and too sweet food, okay. And next year, eat lots of fresh food and salad for healthy teeth, okay. Next year, massage your gums daily for better blood circulation. If you take daily massage of your gums, then you're better to blood circulation, okay. Next year, visit your dentist every 6 months for routine checkup, okay. So my dear student, today our second chapter is complete, and that's your question answer available here also. So my dear student, when you start your question answer the exercise, then firstly you write some English to Hindi word meaning, which you not, or you also search with your dictionary book and with the help of your brother, sister. And if you want to also support me, I want to also support you, okay, if you have any problem. So my dear student, that's a question answer I also sent, so you complete, that's your homework. You complete your fair copy of chapter 2 of science, okay my dear student. So you stay home, save your life, and continue your study. In that last fair, my dear student, you also make the figure of a part of our teeth, that's figure. When you complete your fair, then you make your that fair in your fair copy, okay. So thank you.